Hello everybody. If you're wondering what the trick is to get the back off of a Sony XBR-65X900C, let me show you what the little tricks are. You got to remove all the fasteners, the obvious ones. There are also two over here where the power cord comes in. I've already got the power cord removed. There are fasteners under these rubber black caps, which you see here. So under these caps, there'll be some screws. And then here's the trick you need to get this thing off. Little latch right here. There's one on each side. You got to pull this latch down like that. And on the other side, there's also another latch over there. Same thing. Got to slide that latch down. And then grab this corner, and you got to pull up on this corner. And similarly on this corner, you've got to yank it up. And then you lift the back edge up and pull it towards you. Those two corners are a little bit tricky. According to the Sony service manual, you just pull those two corners up and they will release. So if you found this video helpful or informative, how about a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.